Imagine boarding a spacecraft so fast that in 1 second you could circle the Earth 7 times. And even more, the time begins to stop for you. What would happen if you could travel at the speed of light? Here we explain it without complicated formulas. Welcome to AstroClic.
The speed of light is 299,792 kilometers per second. That's more than 1 billion kilometers per hour. It's the highest speed allowed in the universe, according to Einstein's theory of relativity. Light has no mass, which is why it can reach that speed. You, me, a spaceship, anything with mass cannot reach it. But what if we could imagine it? As you travel faster, time passes more slowly for you. This effect has been proven. Astronauts age slightly less. If you travel at 99.99% the speed of light, you could live 1 year, while tens or hundreds of years pass on Earth. The closer you get to the speed of light, the more energy you need. Your apparent mass increases to infinity. That's why accelerating to that speed would require infinite energy.
Space in your direction of motion contracts. It's as if the universe compresses toward you. The entire light spectrum concentrates ahead due to the relativistic Doppler effect. Wavelengths shorten, blue and ultraviolet light predominate. Behind you, everything turns red or invisible. At extreme speeds, your visual field distorts. It would seem like you're entering a tunnel of light. You would only see what's directly in front of you. It's as if the universe shrinks and concentrates into a single bright point. If you traveled near the speed of light for just a few minutes, years or centuries could pass on Earth. When you returned, you would have aged very little, but everything you knew would be ancient history. This is called relative time travel to the future. It's not science fiction, it's real physics. Traveling at the speed of light wouldn't just be moving fast, it would be traveling through time and space in a completely new way. Although it seems impossible today, imagining it reveals something deeper, that the laws of the universe are stranger and more beautiful than they appear. This was AstroClic. Subscribe, leave us a like, and tell us, would you dare to travel that fast, knowing you could return to a world that no longer exists?